This is the first vlog of the year, and I'm bored with my hair right now. I just washed it day before yesterday, so I'm about to put some curls in it, and I'm going to use my forgot the name of them, but I'll put a clip in here of what I'm gonna use. But we about to go from this to that. Okay, so actually I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use these ones in the back because they give you a, a bigger, fluffier curl. And then I'm gonna try to use the wrap-a-lock tools down here in the front. And I'm gonna try this. I've never done that before, but I wanna try something different to see, can I do tight curls with loose curls? So I have a bunch of these. I'm gonna make these smaller so I can get a tighter curl, and then I'm gonna do these in the front. We're gonna see how I work. And I got all my clips and everything. So, and I'll show you what products I'm gonna use. So I'll be using this lock and braid foam control, which is amazing. When I'm done, I'm gonna spray some with this spritz on it, and then I'm gonna use water. So I won't have too much, drying time. I want it to be dry by tomorrow. And if not, I'm gonna get another dryer. So my hair is in 4 sections. The front gonna have the smaller, the wrap-a-lock tools, and then the back. So I got it parted like, smaller sections for the lock loops. That's what they call lock loops. I could not figure out the name, lock loops. So lock loops in the back. I might end up even making this smaller, and so I'm gonna get my other camera. Hopefully I got some battery in it and see if I could feel myself doing it. We're gonna try and see what happens, y'all, okay?
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. What did you think? What did you could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day it would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. What do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
Girl, I can't even. Would you look at these curls? I did not think this would work by combining two different curl styles with the tools, and I absolutely love it. It's even beautiful in person. Like, do you see these curls, girl? Do you see the bounce?
It was so easy, so simple. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. I want to show you an updo style with the curls as well because it's very versatile and I absolutely love how it turned out. And if you do as well, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, tell me your takeaway if you're gonna try it. If not, I will see you when I'm always dancing in the next video, sis. Thanks for watching.